Hello there, everyone. This is your friend again, Sure Manuel of GRV TV. And of course, I'd like to keep you posted on what's going on right now back there in Iran. And we all know, as we have heard, that President Donald Trump finally has given orders to cease fire. Meanwhile, cease firing and whatever they're doing. And I do believe that thinking not only of the Iranians or the Persian people, as we call them before, we know that the heart of the president also thinks of his very own men, his men in uniform, the soldiers that he sent there, which is of course it's kind of threatening on the part of a president who loves his people, and basically he loves peace for everyone. But it's just that we know how stubborn this Iranian can be. But that's the reason why, despite the president or President Trump has given such orders, some people are also speculating that it might be a wrong move to cease fire or to stop this and give a chance for Iran to be able to manipulate something or do something in this stage wherein he will stop the firing. Of course, the president gives that order, but we don't know what the other end is thinking right now. Especially we know that Iran has the capacity to also do things while this ceasefire or this cease bombing is given as instruction by the president. It might be that it can be a convenient time for them to plot something against the Americans or the Israelites. We don't know. We don't know their mentality. We don't know how desperate they can be just to win the war. So we do hope that whatever is the plan of President Trump in doing what his orders are or giving orders, we know it's his love for his own countrymen. As I've said, the men in uniform that of course risk their lives as well. We just feel that we hope that whatever negative plans or whatever destructive plans that the Iranians may be thinking right now may be prevented with God as witnessing the whole thing, with the president, of course, knowing his heart. Donald Trump probably thinks this is for the best, but we